Good morning, hello everyone, welcome to my vlog mga ka-BSK. Mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Ayan, bagong umaga, may bagong pag-asa. Ayan, dito po tayo sa backyard at update ko lang po sa inyo yung ginagawa natin ngayon dito sa backyard. Yung ating mga alaga, naubusan na po sila ng tubig, yung ating rabbit. Yan, binigyan po natin siya ng tubig at papakainin din po natin. Tapos doon sa manok, bibigyan din natin ng pagkain at tingnan natin kung meron silang iklog ngayon doon sa kulungan ng manok. Puntahan natin. Yeah, now what we're gonna do first is I'm gonna give them water because it's empty. Yeah, empty water. And those two I put them already, and now this one left over. We're gonna put some water for our rabbit. This is our rabbit. That's Thunder, lion head rabbit. And these two, I put them on water already. This London, her name is London. This mix lion head. Yeah, and we're gonna put some food also. Yeah, okay. Then I put food pellets, and over here too I put pellets, and also I put pellets. Yeah, and sometimes I get some grass and give them a grass also. And we're gonna put some water for this one, for the other rabbit. There you go. There you go. I'm gonna put some water. I'm putting water. It's mineral water. Yeah, it's mineral water. I don't put on the tap water. Mineral water that I'm putting. There you go. Put mineral water. There you go. And then later we're gonna go to the chicken. We're gonna check the chicken if they have an egg already. Mga ka-BSK, papakain na natin yung manok. Ito ang ating ibibigay, pinaghalong gulay, kangkong. Ayan, pinaghalong kangkong. Kuruk. Ayan, pinaghalong kangkong. At saka ito opong ginayat. Ayan. Ayan, update tayo ngayon sa backyard. Ayan ang ating mga manok ko. Kuruk. Kailangan na palang kuruk. Ang ating manok. Ayan. Ang mga manok. Ayan, takot sila dun sa ingay. Kaya natin kinabit yun. Kinabit natin yan, no? Ayan, pakita ko sa inyo mamaya kung paano mag-work. Ayan yung lata na yan. Para kung mag-iingay sila, magpuputak-putak. Ayan ang ating black star at saka red star. Ayan. Ayan ang ating red star, black star. Ayan. Ayos. Ayan sila. Nandun silang kumain. Ayan, yung isa lang hindi nagkaroon ng problema, yung isa. Binigyan ko na antibiotics yung kung gumaling na. Yan, binubuli nila yan. Pag may sakit kayong manok, binubuli ng matitino. Kaya kung pwede lang hiwalay ko kasi walang Yan. Parang ayaw nilang pakainin, hinagawan nila. Yan, binubuli. Kaya nihiwalay ko yung ibang pagkain. Para sakaling puntahan siya. Ayan ano siya talaga binubuli siya. Pag alam nakakain siya, yan andyan na naman. Lilipat ngayon siya. Pag tinuka siya, yan, tinuka na naman. Lilipat ngayon yan. Pupunta dito sa kabila. Ayan. Ayan baribot tong dalawa na to Yan. Yan. Pupunta na naman siya dyan. Yan. Diyan siya kami yung manginginain ng konti. Yan. Pupuntahan na naman siya. Ayan pinuto. Balak pa siyang puntahan uli. Yan. Ayan ang ang lalaki nila, lalaki na alaga ko. Kinuha ko yan. Naliliit lang. Kung nakita nyo. Pinos ko naman naliliit. Ayan guguluhin na naman siya tinutuka siya kaya siya umalis. Parang ayaw siyang pakainin. Ayan yan natuka na naman siya. Ganyan po yung yan, lilipat na naman siya dyan. Mga kaya iniwalayan ko ng konti pagkain. Para just in case ganyan ang gawin sa kanya na lagi naman ginagawa. Yan mga ka-BSK. Yan ang istorya ng aking manok dito sa ating backyard. Ayan. We're gonna check if my chicken have been laid egg. Okay, open. There we go. Now they have how many? I got two egg. That's the 2 egg. I take the 2 egg. I take the 2 egg. Here you go. 2 egg. That's all my chicken. Thank you for the egg, chicken. And right there, I have 2 black. That's a black star. And this is a red star. They're good for laying egg, so anyone want to raise a chicken, you better get the red star or the black star. The good laying egg. There you go. That's the there you go. Now someone like they keep eating. Right there, the red star. There you go. Now look at my coops chicken. That's what it is. There you go. They're clean, no sun, and you see over here, it's clean too. Every day I'm taking up the poops, so you should be every day clean. This is what I'm doing right now, cause yeah, here you go. So there you go. See, now I put here you go. Here, sometimes they make noise. They saw something like scary from them. They keep making noise. They go like that. So instead to go out, I put some string here and put 2 cans and 1 metal. See, so no need to go out. So I put the string over there to my window, and right there, so that if I pull this string, there you go, right there. But I don't think they're gonna take it out, this one. See, right there, I put the string over there. When I pull inside the room, if I pull the string, it makes noise. It makes noise right there. Yeah, I show you. Yeah, right there. If I pull the string, it's gonna be like this, so that they can stop make noise. I pull the string, I go like that. They scared. They stop. So they're gonna make noise. See? If I go like that, make noise, they're gonna scared. They stop making noise. So that, yeah. So sometimes they always make noise. The neighbor gonna complain. That's what it is. So I make that one instead to run outside. I just pull that string and make noise. They stop. Now it's kind of cold right now here, so I'm thinking about, clean this one, but maybe tomorrow. But what I'm gonna do is I have one more bottle ground, take out the seed, so I can take it home in the Philippines. I like this variety because it tastes good. The bottle gourd, we called Oppo. Yeah, there you go. All right, maybe I'm gonna take a video also when I clean this part. Here you go. Yeah, that's what I'm doing every day here. Check out my backyard, take care of my chicken, get the eggs every day, and the rabbit. Here you go. All right. Yeah, that's what I'm doing every day. So this my passion. With chicken or some livestock, but our beer is very strict. So when I go back home in the Philippines, it's been ready, all my livestock there, just waiting for me. All right. At ito, kailangan natin linisin Dahil pauwi tayo ng Pilipinas, kailangan lagi malinis. Ayan, lilinisin natin yan. Ayan. Ito naman yung ating upo na pinatanda natin. Ayan, kinukuha na natin ng buto. Ayan, ayan, dadalhin natin ng Pilipinas, no, para kasi masarap tong variety na to. Manamis-namis siya. Ang sarap niya iluto. Ayan, ang sarap niya iluto talaga. So kahit na araw-araw mo siyang ulamin, lalo na lalagyan mo siya ng sahog na hipon o kaya baboy. Ayan. Medyo marumi na yung backyard ko ngayon dahil malamig ngayon dito. Mahirap gumawa. Natulo sipon mo dahil sobrang lamig. Ayan, tapos hindi ka makapagdamo. Tumutubo yung damo ngayon kasi malamig, mahamog. So walang init. Ngayon nga nag-aaraw ng konti. Ayan, may araw siya. Kaya medyo yung lamig nagtatalo yung init tsaka lamig. Kahapon walang araw. Ayan. Ayan, bubutuhan natin yan. Di ba yung upo ko haba ang haba na yan. So yan, dadalhin natin yung buto. Yan, buto, dadalhin natin. Meron na akong isang gatang na buto. So marami na yun, siguro yung malaking mga siguro nasa 500 na yun. 500 seeds na. Tapos ito pa 500 seeds, saka ito pa. Ayan, pwede nang pantanim sa Pilipinas. So para meron tayong harvest for market. Ayan, tatanim tayo doon. Tingnan natin kung tutubo ng maganda. Ayan, ayan, ganyan lang po, bubutahan natin yan. Sige po. Ayan mga ka-BSK, dito lang po muna. At ayan po yung ating update sa ating backyard. Yeah, yung rabbit, saka yung chicken, saka yung paglilinis dito. Kasi okay, I'm already retired on my job. So now I'm still here in California, Santa Clara. So I need to clean everything here before I go back in the Philippines and get ready all my belongings, all my tools that I can bring ship in the Philippines. So I'll do that, and also all my things, clothes and everything. And then after that, then that's the time I'll go flight back to the Philippines and do my projects there, and of course my farm, need to take care. To all my friends and co-worker before at El Camino Hospital, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be updated on my upload video. And please like and share and place a comment on so I can reach you out. And thank you for watching. See you on my next upload. Take care and God bless. Bye bye, bye bye, bye bye, bye bye.